Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you about the genders of the noun. Mainly there are four genders in noun. First one is masculine gender. Masculine genders are the noun that refer a male. For example, king, boy, man, father, grandfather. These are all the masculine genders. Second one is feminine gender, a noun that refers a female gender. For example, queen, girl, woman, your mother, your sister, all these are considered as feminine genders. Then what are common genders? Common genders refer to either male or female. They are called in common. For example, your teacher, whether he is a male or a female, he is a common gender. Teacher is a common gender. Doctor is a common gender. Student, friend, child. These are all common gender. Even baby, you can say teacher, doctor, baby. These are all considered common gender because they can be said for both boy and girl. Then the next one is neuter gender. Neuter gender refer to non-living thing. All the non-living things are considered as the neuter gender. For example, table, chair, box, school, building, these are all neuter genders. Now I will explain you how to change the genders from masculine to feminine. Mainly there are 6 rules to change the genders from masculine to feminine. The first one is masculine can be changed into feminine by adding ESS. Just by adding ESS given to the masculine noun, you can make it a feminine. For example, poet, poetess, loin, loiness, host, hostess, giant, giantess. In all these examples, you see that only ESS is added to make them the feminine gender. Now, rule number 2 is that in some noun that has an ending in R, after masculine can be changed into feminine by adding ESS. All the nouns that end with R can be changed into feminine by adding ESS and removing the vowel before the last letter. लास्ट लेटर के पहले वाले वोवेल को हटा के आपको ESS ऐड करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी टाइगर, E is removed and we added ESS, that is tigress. Actor, O is removed, added ESS, actress. Monitor, same way O is removed and added ESS, monitress. Editor, editress. Now the next rule is masculine can be changed into feminine by using a completely different word. The word changes entirely. For example, king, queen, uncle, aunt, hero, heroine, husband, wife, father, mother. In these cases, the word changes completely. Rule number 4, feminine of compound noun, made by changing the masculine word, the compound noun that comes to the front. You know what are compound nouns? Compound words, compound nouns explained in the previous classes. The words that are formed by joining the two words, they are called compound nouns. For example, grandfather, grandmother, these are all compound nouns. Maid servant, servant, maid servant. He goat, she goat, these are all compound nouns. So, we just change the masculine word to the feminine word. For example, he bear, she bear. What we did? In this rule, he changed to she for changing the gender of the noun. Bull calf, cow calf. Bull converted into cow. He goat, she goat. Son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Means the second word remains the same, the first word changed the gender. The rule number five is feminine of some masculine are made by removing the last vowel and consonant, then by adding ESS. In some words, what we do, we remove the vowel and the last consonant also and add ESS. For example, governor. What did we remove? The last two words, O and R, the last vowel and the last consonant we have removed, we added ESS. Murderer, removed ER, murderess. Okay students, the last rule is compound noun changes its gender by changing masculine word into feminine, coming later. In rule number 4, we changed the first word. In rule number 5, again the compound noun is there and we are changing the second word. For example, headmaster. The second word, head plus master. Master changed into mistress. It became headmistress. Grandfather. Grand plus father. Father changed into mother. Milk plus man. Man changed into maid. Peacock. Cock changed into hen. So these were the rules to change the genders from masculine to feminine. Hope you all have understood. Now we will do the exercise in the copy. Thank you all.